Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are doing beef spaghetti, or what they call beef bolognese. Let's begin. In a large pan, boil water, then sprinkle salt. Put in the spaghetti and cook it for about 8 minutes. Do not put oil in it. Meanwhile, in a pan, heat oil on medium heat, then fry chopped onion for about 2 minutes. Sprinkle origanum and stir. May I kindly ask you to run the ads on the video as a gesture of support. 2 minutes later, add minced garlic and stir and cook it for about 1 minute. Add minced meat or ground beef and split it. Here I am using a potato masher. A fork as well will do a great job. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients. A warm welcome to the new viewers. I hope you find this channel your home. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Sprinkle salt and black pepper. Sprinkle smoked paprika or plain paprika if you do not have the smoked one. As the mince cooks, try to split it so that it looks like loose rough grains. Add tomatoes and stir. You may add sugar to offset the tomato acid. That's optional. Add tomato paste for structure and stir. Close the lid and cook the mince until the oil gathers as clusters, stirring in between. Once it's almost done, add chopped basil leaves and stir and take it off the heat. Drain the water from the spaghetti once it's done and do not rinse the spaghetti. Please press the like button and leave a comment below about your thoughts on this recipe. serve it hot with a sprinkle of parmesan cheese and basil leaves. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next upload. Bye bye.